Time now for your forewarned weather with Garrett James.
Welcome back. All right, Garrett, today we've seen calm and clear skies, and it's almost spring-like weather here in June, but it sounds like some potential warmer weather is on the way later this week.
Oh yeah, that's exactly right, especially here to the southern part of the state as temperatures look to potentially reach that century mark. However, we haven't reached that quite yet. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radar. We're not seeing any rain here in the area. However, just to the east of the Rockies, we could see strong thunderstorms out that way. In fact, some severe weather out that way as well. However, for us, we're seeing a nice first day of summer. In fact, what better way to spend the first day of summer than out at some of the reservoirs? Take a look at some of these levels, upwards of 100% full towards Pineview and East Canyon. However, Causey at 99.63, 98.08 for Willard Bay, and this is in northern Utah. Southern Utah, a little bit of a different story and a bit more, I'd say that range is a bit wider because take a look at this. Sand Hollow 92% full, but Kins Lake on the other hand 113.48% full, so overflowing. Gunlock Falls still flowing, and that's verified because once that capacity reaches 100% more, that's when those falls start flowing. So at 6% over that capacity, but the futurecast, will we see any more rain? There might be a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm towards southwestern Wyoming and northeastern Utah tomorrow. However, I really think that most, if not everybody, is going to stay dry out of this, and then the futurecast shows that we'll be staying dry after that. So let's take a look at the storm threat for the remainder of the day. Like I said, severe weather threat just to our east of the Rockies, out towards Fort Collins, even Denver. However, tomorrow it does show just a general risk for an isolated thunderstorm or two tomorrow. If anything, I think those thunderstorms could be limited to southwestern Wyoming, with more severe weather being possible further to the east of the Rockies, and once again on Friday. But Friday here for the Beehive State looking fairly dry and fairly clear. Let's go ahead and take a look at ABC4 News Studio. Bluebird skies, seeing clear conditions out that way. Still a couple clouds out towards Moab. We can see just a few clouds out there. Temperature 88 degrees, but temperatures have been spring-like today, despite it being the first day of summer. Seeing a few cirrus clouds out over St. George. Temperatures in the 70s for the majority of the state, but in the 90s for St. George at the present time. Lows tonight going to be in the 40s in Logan, 45 in Elko, 54 Wendover, 48 Delta, 49 Beaver, 54 Cedar City, as well as Kanab and Escalante. 56 towards Hanksville, 62 Moab, 54 Blanding, 65 for St. George. However, tomorrow's highs looking like 80 towards Elko, 79 towards Wendover, 80 Cedar City, 87 Kanab, 85 Escalante, 93 Hanksville, 96 being the hot spot in Moab, with 95 being in St. George. Let's take a look at the Wasatch Front, looking at 84 tomorrow, 82 on Friday, 90 on Saturday, 92 Sunday, 89 Monday, 88 Tuesday and Wednesday. Then for St. George, temperatures looking a bit hotter, with temperatures reaching the upper 90s, maybe even that century mark by the time we get to Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. Gonna send it back to you, Sarah.
All right, thank you, Garrett. Coming up here on ABC.